Thank you for joining realestatesiny.com for this special report on Hurricane Sandy relief. Finally, flood insurance relief is on the way. On Tuesday, April 15th, Representative Michael Grimm announced some welcome changes to FEMA's flood insurance policy that could mean affordable rates for homeowners in flood zones. New legislation proposed by the Federal Emergency Management Agency following Hurricane Sandy included revisions to flood maps, resulting in catastrophically high flood insurance premiums for some homeowners. Depending on the home's elevation, rates in high-risk areas could reach as much as $30,000 per year. The addition of the flood insurance reform bill, called H.R. 3370, will change provisions of the laws that created some of the largest impacts on homeowners via the Biggert Waters Flood Insurance Reform Act of 2012. Pre-firm properties, which are built in New York City prior to 1983, under certain categories now qualify for reduced rates under the new law. These homes must have been purchased by a new homeowner after July 6, 2012, acquired a new flood insurance policy after July 6, 2012, or experienced a policy lapse which was reinstated after October 4th of 2012. Homeowners holding properties under this umbrella were subject to the most immediate and dramatic rate increases. The Biggert Waters Flood Insurance Reform Act outraged the community, resulting in many protests. Once instated, H.R. 3370 will repeal the drastic flood insurance rate increases beginning May 1, 2014. Representative Grimm hailed these changes for bringing relief and welcome improvements to the community in New York City. Negative consequences were felt in the national real estate market after the Biggert Waters Flood Insurance Reform Act was passed. Real estate transactions were halted across the country once homebuyers learned the true price of their new homes after the addition of sky-high flood insurance premiums. Do you have an idea for a news story? Interested in sponsoring our content? Send an email to resinyprgroup@icloud.com. And read our blog trendingsiny.com to get all of our latest news stories, listing updates, and so much more. This has been a presentation with realestatesiny.com, Staten Island's real estate and news source.